Welcome to Top Gears, where we break down the machines that rule everyday roads. Today, we're talking about one of the most trusted names in the scooter segment, the Suzuki Access 125-2026. Known for its comfort, reliability, and smooth performance, the 2026 update aims to refine an already successful formula. Let's dive deep into what makes this scooter a continued favorite among commuters and families alike. Design and styling updates. The Suzuki Access 125-2026 carries forward its familiar silhouette but with subtle yet effective refinements. The body panels look more sculpted, giving the scooter a slightly premium feel without losing its simple and practical character. Chrome accents on the front and sides add elegance, while updated color options bring a fresh appeal to younger buyers. The LED headlamp and redesigned tail lamp enhance both visibility and modern styling, making the Access feel updated for 2026 standards. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Suzuki Access 125-2026 is a refined 124 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. This engine is tuned to deliver smooth power delivery rather than aggressive performance, making it ideal for city riding. Throttle response feels clean, and acceleration is linear, which helps in heavy traffic conditions. The scooter offers a relaxed cruising experience while still having enough power for quick overtakes when needed. Suzuki's focus remains on refinement and long-term durability. Mileage and efficiency. Fuel efficiency has always been a strong point of the Access series, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. With improved fuel injection tuning and reduced internal friction, the scooter delivers impressive mileage in real-world riding. Conditions. Whether used for daily office commutes or household errands, the Access 125-2026 proves to be light on the pocket. The eco-friendly engine setup also ensures lower emissions without compromising everyday usability. Ride comfort and handling. Comfort is where the Suzuki Access 125 truly shines. The long and well-cushioned seat offers excellent support for both rider and pillion, even on longer rides. The riding posture is upright and relaxed, reducing fatigue during daily use. Suspension duties are handled well, soaking up bumps and uneven roads with ease. Combined with a stable chassis and balanced weight distribution, the Access 125 feels confident and easy to control for riders of all age groups. Features and technology. The Suzuki Access 125-2026 comes equipped with a practical set of features designed to enhance convenience. The digital analog instrument cluster provides clear information such as speed, fuel level, and trip details. Bluetooth connectivity in higher variants adds smartphone integration for call alerts and navigation updates. A USB charging port, ample under-seat storage, and external fuel filling further improve everyday usability, making the scooter highly commuter-friendly. Safety and braking. Safety has not been overlooked in the 2026 model. The Suzuki Access 125 offers a reliable braking system with front disc brake options and a rear drum setup. The combined braking system ensures better stability during sudden stops. Wider tires provide improved road grip, especially on wet or slippery surfaces. These safety features make the Access a dependable choice for daily urban riding. Practicality and daily use. One of the biggest strengths of the Suzuki Access 125-2026 is its practicality. The scooter is easy to start, easy to ride, and easy to maintain. The large footboard provides plenty of space, while the underseat storage is capable of holding a helmet or groceries. Suzuki's strong service network also adds peace of mind for long-term ownership, making this scooter a sensible investment. Price and value for money. The Suzuki Access 125-2026 is positioned competitively in the 125 cubic centimeters scooter segment. While prices may vary depending on the variant and market, it offers strong value considering its reliability, comfort, and fuel efficiency. Compared to rivals, the Access focuses more on long-term usability rather than flashy performance, which is exactly what most buyers in this segment are looking for. Final verdict. The Suzuki Access 125-2026 continues to build on its reputation as a dependable, comfortable, and efficient scooter. It may not be the sportiest option in its class, but it excels where it matters most: daily comfort, smooth performance, and low running costs. For riders looking for a trustworthy scooter that delivers consistent performance year after year, the Access 125-2026 remains a solid and sensible choice. Stay tuned to Top Gears for more detailed reviews and updates on the latest machines.